Okay, here we go. Focus. Speed.
Hey, Lightning, you ready?
Oh, yeah.
The rookie sensation came into the season unknown, but everyone knows him now.
You're my hero, Mr. McQueen.
Fred, thank
He
you.
knows my name. He knows my name. California, here I
Holy Portia. Ow! Where am I?
You're in Radiator Springs, the cutest little town in Carburetor County.
Hey, that's it. You need a new paint job, man.
All rise.
Sure.
How about some organic fuel?
Take a car wash with me.
That's crazy. I gotta get out of here.
Here, buddy. I like you already.
Folks around here are not firing on all cylinders, if you know what I mean.
I know your type.
Doc, hold it.
These are good folk around here. Who care about them.
These are good.
Come on, let's take a drive.
A drive?
Don't you big city
Come on,
race
let's
cars
take a
ever
drive.
just take a
A
drive?
drive.
Don't you big
no.
city cars just take a drive?
Look at that. Look, and they're driving right by. They don't even know what they're
40
missing.
years ago,
40 years
that
ago, that
interstate
interstate
didn't
didn't
exist.
exist.
The town
got
bypassed
bypassed
just to save 10 minutes of driving.
When is the last time you cared about something except yourself, Rod?
Oh, dude.
Why are you crying?
Are you crying?
No, I'm happy.
Walt Disney Pictures.
Walt Disney Pictures presents a Pixar Animation Studios film
Do I spot a little pinstriping tattoo back
Tattoo back there?
Ah, you saw
on
that.
June 9th.
What's so important about this race of yours?
I've been dreaming about it my whole life.
A guy who thought he had it all is about to discover everything he's been missing.
I knowed I made a good choice.
And what?
What?
My best friend.
There's a lot of love out there, you know, man.
We are back in business.
Did I scare you?
Well, a
Well,
little bit,
I'll be
but I'll be all right.
alright.